break me. It's funny how everything I once loved is everything that now hates me. When the night fall on my nightstand, it's a 40, unlocked the safety. I just rest now and I don't sleep nothing. I got stress on me and it's major. I put work in for my whole life, can't retire, can't never shake it. Presidential high nigga moving by myself, I don't even need a nation. When you lie to them, they gon' never know. When you honest with them, they don't take it. That's why I don't really give a fuck no more. I really build minds from the basement. Every line real on this paper, only real minds gonna gauge it. If your heart's still lit, quiver like it's electrified with a taser. I don't never hold back ever. I put all minds on the table. Do for all minds when I'm able. I've been home tied for this paper. I seen all the signs of the trader. Give me all vibes with the language. See, this money really come easy though. I'm having hard times with betrayal. They could book me for another nigga body. They still never get a statement. I ain't calling home for lawyer money either. I ain't running from it, I'ma face it. Now everybody's a gangster. Hey, once you drop a location, it's really funny. Bunch of little dummies in my rear view, all looking anxious. What my movies is you watching? Where they shoot it out on the internet. Far as I know, when it's wartime, hit the mattresses, be patient. When you blasting off, don't say shit. They like what it is, I'm like, ain't shit. When you popping blue pills, ill, you can run a mega city in the matrix. You around me, don't pop a red one. Gotta bang with me and you can't quit. Gotta wake up every day doing hard, big grips. Nigga, this is slave shit. Don't bang blood, don't blame crick, but I bet when niggas bleed green though. Any color that you attach to got similitudes to this gang shit. White jacket on me is stainless. Nigga, 20K get your brain hit. Keep playing with it like I'm running from it, so I guess that mean no bullets ain't swift. I ain't running to it, money running through it by myself, who I'm getting changed with. If you really want it, come and get it from me. I ain't banging out for this fame shit. But the streets really know me, all my homies dead. I'm the one that's really dangerous. And I don't trust nobody, cause even death comes from an angel. You heard? They try to take a nigga back from his old ways, but I'm running from that shit like OJ. On the highway, life doing low speeds, whole world chasing me, I'm taking in the whole scene. And the Bronco, all white cocaine. Don't ever think a motherfucking hoe change. Don't ever trust a nigga in this joke game, cause both of them hit you like a hurricane. Wonder how you can't get from the codeine. Low key, I made the world know my whole name. I took a detour right before my turn came. I've been trying to get back here like road game. Keep it lying, man, they got me moving no fame. It's funny money, hey, you looking at your pro strings. Plot your murder, they can pull it off with no strings. They're the only ones that do it in this close range. And it's cold, they'll kill you for a rope chain. Or a gold ring, you would give them both things. And they still wouldn't want it. The way niggas don't think, they gave once for a no name. I hope you get it. You gotta get it on your own, my nigga. You gotta get away from hopeless niggas. You gotta get up in the zone, my nigga. Go, my nigga, go. I hope you get it. You gotta get it on your own, my nigga. You gotta get away from hopeless niggas. You gotta get up in the zone, my nigga. Go, my nigga, go. Big facts. I need them big racks. But I'm never pressed with a get back, get back. He know that he did when it's pressed on his hand, and that hammer gon' quick clap you with that. But I won't admit that, cause that's what they use when they kidnap. Their whole team wanna play. It's crunch time. Well, who wanna get out for the six pack? Feel me, nigga? I know they really wanna drill me, nigga. But I can never let them kill me, nigga. And I can only be the real me, nigga. Feel me, nigga? I know they really wanna drill me, nigga. But I can never let them kill me, nigga. And I can only be the real me, nigga. Check it. I know the rules of the game. This shit ain't nothing to play with. This thing get crazy. I run this shit like a label. I'm the creator. I run this shit like a Navy. Independent, but I'm major. They respecting how I play it. They just won't say it. I don't need no recognition from nobody. As long as I make it.
I was diagnosed with a genetic disease at 10 years old, polycystic kidney disease. And I can't imagine if I sat in that doctor's office and was told I had this life-threatening genetic disease and that there weren't meds to help me and that if there were, that I wouldn't be able to have access to them. It would have been a game changer for me, and I probably wouldn't be alive today. There's no cure